Thanks, Garfield. Spanish Town Primary and McAuley Primary will meet in the final of the Fast Recovery 15 overs cricket competition after winning their respective semi-final encounters. Spanish Town remain on course to retain their title after defeating Angels Primary by 9 wickets. Angels didn't offer any resistance and were rolled over for 18 in 5.4 overs. Christina O'Connor went through the Angels lineup, bagging 4 for 9. In reply, Spanish Town got to 20 for 1 in 2.2 overs. There were 16 extras in the innings. O'Connor added the other 4 runs.
When I have the ball, in my mind, just as if the person when I go bowl to. I did very well and I'm very proud of myself.
Meanwhile, in the other encounter, McAuley had a 7-wicket win against St. John's Primary. St. John's first posted 101 for 5 in 15 overs. Tajay Ellis led the way with 20. He was supported by Shakeem Bedinson, who made 14. This against the bowling of Alicia Freeman, who picked up 2 for 14. In reply, McAuley got to 102 for 2 in 13.1 overs. Jamor Wilson just missed out on a half-century with a score of 46 off 27 balls, cracking 8 fours and a 6.
Great that I made the 46 runs. And I think I could have made the 50, but unlucky, I guess.